Yeah, children. Coming to seventh sum. Please see here all of the seventh sum. Seventh sum number is 27 more than reverse numbers. Okay, children. Same procedure. Original number what we will take 10x plus y. Reverse number what we will take, children 10y plus x. And what we will take, children digits x and y. We should remember, children, useful for 9th class and 10th class. Okay. So he's saying original number is, see, original number is, he's saying original number is 27 more. More means plus, children. Reverse number. More means plus, times means into. More means plus, times means into. Original number means what, children? 10x plus y is equal to 27 plus 10y plus x. Okay, bring this here, children. 10x minus x is how much, children? 9x. Y minus 10x is how much, children? Minus 9y is equal to 27. Take 9 common, children. X minus y is equal to 27. 9 goes down, children, because into means here division. X minus y is equal to 27 by 9 is 3. Okay, this is the equation. Or you can write, if you want, x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Your wish. However you want, you can write. Please copy down, children. Copy down. Okay, hate some children, all of you. He's saying work done is directly proportional to the force applied. Work done is directly proportional to the force applied. Okay, and represent it in the form of equation by taking a constant k is equal to 5. When you remove proportionality, you have to keep a constant, no, children. When you remove proportionality, you have to keep a constant, no. So he's saying that constant you take, put it as 5. He's saying if you want, you can write it as x is equal to 5y. For this, you have to draw graph also. How to draw graph? Yesterday only I told for this. Okay, if y is 1, x is equal to 5. If y is 2, x is equal to 10. If y is 3, x is equal to 15. You draw a graph, you will get a straight line passing through the passing through, children. Okay. Next one, children. A and B have certain mangoes, and each one say any. Okay, okay. Eighth, all of you please go through the ninth question, children. All of you. A and B have certain mangoes with each other. A and B have certain mangoes with each other. Listen, children. Let me say, write this. I'm writing. Let me say A and B. A is having X mangoes. B is having Y mangoes. Okay, children. A and have certain mangoes. A says to B. See, children. A is saying to B. A is saying to B. All of you listen, children. A is saying to B. What A is saying? If you give 30 of your mangoes, A is saying to B. If you give 30 mangoes, means here minus 30, here plus 30. Why means he is giving 30 mangoes to him. So minus 30 here, plus 30 here. If you give 30 of your mangoes, I shall have twice. I shall have twice means 2 times. I shall have twice as many as you have. Okay, children, again, those who didn't understand, A is having Y, X mangoes, B is having Y mangoes. If you give me 30, means here minus 30 and here plus 30. Okay, because this 30 is coming to here. I will be having twice. Twice means 2 times. Okay, now make an equation. X plus 30 is equal to 2y minus 60. Bring all things here, children. If you bring like that, then what it will become? X plus 30 minus 2y plus 60 is equal to 0. X minus 2y plus 90 is equal to 0 is the equation. Okay, children. Next one, 10th question, children. 10th question. All of you have seen 10th question? Because I feel that you are not comfortable with these sums, I'm saying all questions, children. What you do, you practice all the sums once or twice, children, so that you get a proper understanding. 10th question. 10th question. 10th question. If 27 is added to the number, digits get interchanged. Okay, simple same number. What is the original number, children? 10x plus y. What is reverse number? 10y plus x. And what are digits, children? X and y. A 2-digit number is represented as 10x plus y. This is a 2-digit number, original number. Reverse number is 32. Okay, suppose 41 is original number. 14 is reverse number. Suppose 53 is original number. Reverse number is 35. So original number will write it as 10x plus y. Reverse number will write it as 10. If 27 is added to a number, to the original number, if you add 27, it will become reverse number. Anyone wants to say this equation how to do? Anyone wants to give a try? How to do this equation? Anyone wants to say this, some children?
So 10x plus y plus 27 is equal to 10y plus x.
10x plus y plus 27 is equal to 10y plus x. Now bring this here, Nana. Tell what happens.
10x plus y minus 10y
minus x plus 27 is equal to 0. Tell.
0.
10x minus x is how much?
9x, 9x minus 9y plus 27 is equal to 0.
Can you take anything common, Amma, in 9, 9, 27? 9 you take common.
So 9.
X
X minus y plus 3.
is equal to 0. Take 9 down, Amma. What happens to the final equation? X minus
X
y
minus
plus
y plus 3 is equal to 0.
0 by 9 is 0. So this is the final equation. Very good. Fantastic. Like this you have to do. If you know these three conditions, children, you can do any miracles, children. Anything you can do. Because these three conditions, they won't give in the book properly, children. You will not understand. That's why many of the students will be thinking very tough for that. But if you know these three conditions, a fraction becomes 4 by 5. Children, in a fraction, always you'll be having x and y. What is x called, children? Anyone? What is x called?
Numerator.
Very good. X is called numerator and y is called denominator.
Denominator.
In a fraction, you'll be having a numerator and denominator. He's saying a fraction becomes 4 by 5 if 1 is added to numerator and denominator. Children, to the numerator if you add 1, to the denominator also if you add 1, the fraction becomes 4 by 5, he's saying. There was some original fraction, children. Originally it is say 2 by 3. We don't know. So to this, originally it is 3 by 4. To this if you add 1, to this if you add 1, it will become 4 by 5. No? That's what he's saying. Originally some fraction is there. To that if you add 1, 1.
So cross multiply.
Very good. Now go for cross multiplication. Tell me what happens. 5x plus 5 is equal to
5x plus 5 equal to 4y plus 4.
Now what happens? Bring this whole thing here. 5x minus 4y.
Plus 5 minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0.
Next what happens?
So 5x plus 4y plus 1
5 minus 4
equal
is
to
1.
0.
For this you have to draw the graph, children. Okay? I think you are feeling a little bit comfortable. Okay, now mute your audio. Thank you so much. Very good. 12th question. Children, see the 12th question. Sum of numerator and denominator. Let fraction be, you should write, let fraction be x and y, where x is numerator, y is denominator. See the condition what he has given. Sum of numerator and denominator of fraction is, sum of numerator and denominator of fraction is, sum of numerator and denominator fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. 4 more with plus times means into twice numerator, twice the numerator. This is the equation. Okay, children, bring this whole thing here. 2x plus 4, this is coming here, minus x minus y is equal to 0. 2x minus x is x, minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the equation. This is the equation. For this equation, normally in the exam you have to draw graph also. Graphs how to draw I already showed yesterday only. I am coming step by step from the beginning, children. So that now you can draw graphs also. Okay, next one. 13th question. Can anyone help me? 13th question, children. Anyone wants to give a try? Fraction is x and y. Fraction is x and y. This is numerator. This is denominator. Anyone wants to tell how to do this one? 13th question. Sum of numerator and denominator of fraction is 3 less than twice the denominator. Anyone wants to give a try? Sum of numerator and denominator is, anyone? 3 less than twice the denominator. 3 less than twice the denominator. Anyone?
So 3 plus 2x.
Huh?
3 plus 2x.
3 less. 3 less
So
than
2y
twice.
minus 3.
2y minus 3. Very good, Nana. Fantastic. 2y minus 3 means 3 less than twice the denominator. Less. 3 less than twice the denominator. Very good. Bring all these things here, children. X
So
plus
x
y.
plus y minus 2y plus 3.
Okay, now mute your audio, please. So x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 is the equation. Okay, children, next 14th sum. I'm telling all of you. See, children, 14th sum. 10 years ago, father is 12 times as old as his son. Let father age be x, children, father age be x, and son's age be y. So x and y. Okay, children. He's saying 10 years ago. 10 years ago means here minus 10, here minus 10. After 10 years means plus 10 plus 10. Ago means here minus 10, there minus 10. 10 years ago, father is 12 times. Father is 12 times as old as his son. 10 years ago, father is 12 times as his son. So x minus 10 is equal to 12y minus 120. Okay, children. So here I am doing all of you see here, children. So bring whole thing, this thing here, then it will become x minus 12y minus 10 plus 120 is equal to 0. X minus 12y plus 110 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Please check. That is the equation. Okay, next one. 15 sum. All sums I am telling you, children, so that you should never get any confusion. Word problems, children. In your textbook, 3 or 4 sums will be there. So many sums I am saying, children. Okay. So children, last 4 sums are very difficult, children. You should understand carefully. If not, you will never understand, children. What happens? Last 4 sums, children, I will say in next class because you need require a lot of understanding. Just 18 sum I will tell and I will leave. 15, 16, 17 I will say tomorrow, children, because already you people are exhausted. Anyone wants to give a try for 15th, 18th sum, children? Father age is X and son's age is Y. Anyone want to give a try? Anyone wants 10 years ago, father was 12 times as old as his son. Oh, already we did same sum. Same sum, children. 10 years ago, 10 years ago, 10 years ago, father was 12 times, times means into. So x minus 10, same sum, 12y minus 120. Bring this here. X minus 10 minus 12y plus 120 is equal to 0. X minus 12y plus 110 is equal to 0. Okay, children. Next 15, 16, 17, I will say tomorrow, children, because they require a lot of understanding. Okay, and even my 10th class timing is getting completed. So children, all of you practice this sums 2 times, children. Anyone have any doubt, you can ask me. Practice this sums 2 times, children.
Sir, science homework.